2 large capacity bins designed for double stacking. Silo design side door for easy access and replenishment. It can be put into the conveyor belt by gravity, and it can be put into the material while production. Customized pressing device to ensure smooth alignment. Mature box opening, box pushing and sealing structure, stable operation and efficient production. Simple and compact machine structure. Production speed 20 boxes per minute. Good quality and low price. The best choice for your shift to automated production.